This oatmeal bowl very likely contained over 1,000 calories, and I'm here for it. There was a time in my life where I counted calories and it did not serve me well. Now I follow more of an intuitive way of eating, and that is serving me immensely well. I'm also a very active person, so eating a whole food plant-based meal that's over 1,000 calories in one sitting is not unheard of. And I think this is a great reminder that everybody's needs are different, and what you see on the internet or social media is just a snapshot of what is actually going on. So whether you're enjoying massive oatmeal bowls or small oatmeal bowls, what I have learned for me personally and professionally is that listening to your body is much more important than counting calories.